Loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, we will be installing this closure wig. So this wig was sent to me by LuvMeHair. Thank you to LuvMeHair for sending me over this beautiful closure wig. Today I think I'm going to be doing a side part, so I shift my wig over a little bit. I've been into side parts lately. I haven't really been into middle parts like that. I still love my middle parts, but lately I just been wanting a side part. So today that's what we're gonna be doing. I did bleach the knots on this wig. You guys know, if you guys have watched my past videos, I do the same steps always. I probably should have left the bleach on a little longer. I feel like the knots didn't really bleach that well, and I think it's because I didn't leave the bleach on long enough, so that was my fault. And I did put some makeup on the lace as well, and I cut the lace off. I believe this is a 4x4 lace closure, so it goes about like here to here, nothing too crazy. Right now we're gonna get this part super defined, so I'm gonna just part out where I want my part to be. Like I said, we're doing a bust down side part, so y'all already know. So yes, I bleached the knots. Also, I did pluck this hair a little bit, nothing too crazy. I always go in and pluck my hair a little bit more so I can get a more natural. I think I'm gonna make this install completely glueless. A lot of times with my closures, I love a glueless install because it's just super easy in 1, 2, 3. I'm just gonna carve out this part because this is looking crazy right now. So I'm gonna use my Cheese Bomb wax stick, and I just want to mention, y'all, I had this for a very long time. Like, I didn't even realize how long I've had this for, but I had it for a minute, and it's actually a really good wax stick. And at first I thought it is a little pricey. It lasts a long time, so it's like, it's worth it. Vacuum is on 20, so it's at the highest setting. So I'm gonna get this as flat as possible. You could also do a bust down middle part, of course, but like, I don't know, I've just been really into side parts lately. It's been my thing. All right, y'all, look at this, super flat, period. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Ebin lace spray just to give me a little extra security. Like I said, you really don't need any glue or any spray. Honestly, this wig feels super secure. Just gonna use very little, y'all, not too much, very little, because this wig is super tight on my head. Like, it feels like I don't need any, but just a little bit. I'm gonna take out some of my baby hairs first. I'm gonna use a little bit of my mousse. If you guys have noticed, oftentimes in my hair videos, I like to use mousse instead of like got2b or like got2b spray on my baby hairs, because I like my baby hairs to be flowy. I don't like stiff looking baby hairs, especially if I have curly hair in. I love my baby hairs to be very flowy and just not like where they can't move. I don't know, I'm just not a big fan of that. So a lot of times I like to use very little bit of my mousse, very little bit. So a lot of times I like to use very little of my mousse so I can get that flowy baby hair. Baby hairs are like the most annoying and tedious process ever. Like, and it's like I have to do my like, I love my baby hairs, but they just be doing whatever they want to do, and I don't appreciate that. My baby hairs are finally complete. Now we're gonna get started on this hair. So I am gonna put some curls in here, and I think I'm gonna have to layer this for sure because I want a nice layered look to my wig, especially when I have curls in. I love that look. So I'm going to curling iron, and I do not know the inch of this at all. I just know we had this curling iron, y'all, for so long. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I'm not the best at curling my hair. We're gonna do whatever I can do because curling my hair is super difficult for me. I'm gonna try my best to curl this hair. Because I don't know why curling hair is like so difficult for me for some reason. Get started on this hair. And I believe this hair is 20 inches, y'all. I might have to cut these ends as well because the ends kind of have split ends. Just trim the hair just a little bit, nothing too crazy, because I kind of want my ends to be a little more even. So I didn't want to do too much though. It's not like I wanted the hair short or anything. I just wanted my ends to be a little more even on both sides. And I'm gonna start curling this hair. I want like medium-sized curls, nothing too small. I'm leaving it on for about like 15 seconds and I'm gonna let the hair down. And I'm gonna try my best to keep the heat locked in. Tip that I learned is you want to make sure that the heat is secured into the hair because it's gonna help hold the curl longer.
Oh, you